Hello and welcome to ICSC Help. Today we will discuss about ICSC Class 10 Math Chapter 1 GST. Chapter 1 GST is the main chapter in ICSC Board Class 10 Math. Student can feel some difficulty during the solution of Chapter 1 GST because Chapter 1 GST is the new chapter in ICSC Board in place of VAT. We will discuss it in very simple and easy method. You can easily solve all type hard to hard numerical very simple technique in just 1 minute. Now we will start. First of all, to understand the topic GST, goods and service tax, we will discuss about type of sale. There are two type of sale: intra-state, between same state. If the goods are selling between same state, it means the seller is in UP and customer is in UP, then it is known as intra-state selling. If both seller and customer are in same state. And second type is interstate. Interstate, if seller is other state and customer is from other state. If the seller of UP sell any goods to the customer of MP, to the customer of Punjab, to the customer of Rajasthan, then it is called interstate selling. One topic is important. If in case of intrastate selling, then total GST collected is obtained 50% went to the central government and 50% to the state government. But in case of interstate, between one state to other state, the 100% GST collected to central government, state government neither can get any type of GST. Now we will discuss about type of GST. There are three type of GST. First of all, SGST. It means state GST. Second type is CGST, the central GST, tax received by central government, while the third type is IGST, Union Territory GST. To calculate GST, only one formula is given in this chapter 1 GST. Output GST minus input GST. Only one formula is used in all during the solution of all GST numericals. Let's explain with some example. Let A manufacturer, B wholesaler, C retailer and D is customer. A sell to an item to the B of 5,000, while B taking some profit sell a item to the retailer of 6,000, while C sell to the customer same item taking some profit to 7,000. Let GST is 10%. Let GST is 10%. Then the GST of 5,000 is 500. While GST of 6,000 is 600 and GST of 7,000 is 700, because 10% of 5,000, 10% of 6,000 and 10% of 7,000 is 500, 600 and 700. अब in case of intra-state sale, intra-state means within state sale, intra-state same state sale, then SGST for A we will discuss taking some example. A cell to B, B cell to C, and C cell to D. If in case of SGST for B wholesaler, output GST minus input GST, output 6,000, only 5%, because 50% of GST is state government and 50% of GST to central government, because it is intra-state selling. So only 50 rupees is collected by SGST B, and same process for CGST for B. 6,000 5% output and input 5,000 5% 50 also. It means 50% of GST is for state government and 50% of GST is for central government in case of intra-state sale. Second case, if it is not intra-state, suppose that it is interstate sale between other states, then no 5%, we calculate direct 10%, because all GST collected by any A, B, C or D gone to direct central government. In case of interstate, CGST for B, output GST, input GST. Output GST 6,000 10% and input GST 5,000 10% is 100 rupees. So you can easily calculate it by formula GST, output GST and input GST. And the SGST for B in case of interstate nil. In case of interstate, because when interstate selling, state government cannot obtain any type of GST. The concept has been explained of GST. If you feel any type of problem, comment us, and you can visit the ICSChelp.com website to obtain the solution of this chapter of any publication, including ML Agrawal, RS Agrawal, Concise, Selena, and any other ICSC class 10 mathematics. All chapter solution is given one by one in the sequence of textbook of latest edition. If you feel any type of difficulty, please comment it. Thank you.